Hello, my name is Dr. Loizos Christofi. I'm the R&D Director of eBOS Technologies. Glad to have you in our booth and very pleased to be part of the largest Cyprus pavilion in the largest defense industry in 2025 in Europe. We are here together with lots of our associates to showcase our production's innovations, especially stemming from our participation in EU-funded R&D projects. Currently, we participate in more than 45 ongoing projects, among them projects in the European Defence Fund, ETF. We have also recently been awarded with 2 ETF projects, one of which we are coordinating it. And basically, we are here to showcase 2 of our main innovations, which have received patents both in Europe and in the US. One of them is AI-enhanced ad hoc 5G network, which creates an ad hoc 5G network in the field without the use of any previous infrastructure through the use of flying drones and software-defined radios. They create a mesh network of drones, of 5G nodes, that enable an ad hoc 5G communications network between the battlefield and the command and control center at the back end. The second innovation and a ready-made product, it's called AI-enhanced software-defined perimeter. Again, patented technology. SDP technology has been used by the US Army a few years ago with lots of success. They have done hackathons offering millions of dollars in anyone who attempted to break the security. Nobody made it so far. We have taken this technology, we have fused it into 5G and enhanced it with AI in order to be able to cope and detect advanced persistent threats and zero-day cyber attacks. Okay? These 2 technologies can be combined in future 5G networks to enable a resilient next generation 5G communications network. From eBOS side, so far we have been engaged in more than 75 EU-funded projects. We have been granted 12 patents so far in Europe and in US. We are identified as a key innovator in EC's Innovation Radar. And also, we have been identified by Deloitte as one of the fast 50 growing SMEs in Cyprus and in the Middle East, both in 2024 and 2025. Last but not least, the company is certified with security ISO 27001. Thank you very much. We have had lots of interest from prospective clients about our products and services, and we are convinced that we'll continue and enhance our collaboration with our esteemed partners, especially in EU-funded projects. Thank you.